Seth Jones. Left side he goes. Here's Texier with a shot. And he scores! Nice shoot, Tex! And Glendening, no stranger to shooting. It comes down low. And Dubois misses. Follow-up tip and a score! Give me a little PLD! Pierre-Luc Dubois buries it! They come out with a puck. They play the blue line. Now send it down low. The save is made by Bobrovsky. Score! Bjorkstrand! And then Stamkos coughs it up. There's a score!
Walking in, scores!
It's a bouncing puck finds the empty net. Series sweep. And history has been made at Nationwide Arena.